The Devil's Lake area, it looks blue and beautiful, but it is very cold. Wind chills still near 30 below zero as our Arctic chill continues here across the valley. A first alert weather day does continue for the rest of the day today for Arctic air. And this is a look at what we have going on right now. Current conditions out at Hector International have your temperature still below zero. We never even made it to the 0 degree mark here in Fargo. 8 below for Moorhead. Wind is from the west. It's blowing at 9 miles per hour, and that makes it feel like 25 below zero out there. And again, those winds not overly strong, but with temperatures like this, it doesn't take much wind for the dangerous wind chills to set in. So 10 below right now in Devil's Lake, 9 below in Roseau. We have a pair of 9 belows for you in Wadena and for you in Detroit Lakes with 6 below in Oaks. We cross that line. That black line is Hutch's 0 degree line as we go into south central North Dakota for those folks in Ashley and Wishick. Now here's a closer look. 15 below Rugby, 9 below Roseau, and it does look like those single digits below are the rule for most this hour. Wind chills are between 20 and 30 below. There are a few places colder than 30 below out near the Rolla area. You can see the charcoal colors here in the Devil's Lake Basin. It's cold out there, folks. Make sure you have that survival kit. Crystal clear. Wind not too strong, and we've got all this flakiness around us, so it's going to be another cold night, at least early. But we do have some changes coming as we go through the next 24 hours. The system is up here in Saskatchewan right now, and we're going to see an increase in south winds. Those south winds are going to bring a big-time warm-up tomorrow. We're talking about 50 degrees right here in Fargo from this morning's morning low temperatures to what we'll see for your afternoon on Wednesday. But there's going to be a lot of blowing snow, and that wind's going to shift directions as well. So in the morning, we're going to have gusty south winds, half-mile visibility or less in places thanks to all this snow that'll be blowing over the roads, and it's going to make it real icy. And this wind is going to be strong in most locations, not all, but many of us will deal with this. Midday hours, we'll start to see a westerly wind, and it will continue to be very icy out there. We're still going to have visibility issues here and there, and the strongest of the winds will likely hit in the midday hour. Then it continues over 30 miles per hour into the night with another shot of some light snow showers. Hour by hour forecast for this evening. 10 o'clock hour will approach and we'll have temperatures diving toward 20 below already. But the south winds are going to save the day in the overnight because they're going to bring a warm up. Now watch this. We go from near 20 below. By morning we're going to be near 0 or even near 20 in the Devil's Lake Basin. South winds gusting to 40 miles per hour in places. Not everybody. We will have blowing and drifting snow for that morning commute. Now, no new snow yet. Temperatures rising to the 20s to 30s in the west. Look at the winds shifting, becoming westerly. Still have southerly wind in our eastern counties. Blowing and drifting snow continues. Here's the snow shot. Notice this. We might get a few locations tomorrow evening after the dinner time hour of an inch or so of snow in the northern parts of Minnesota. Temperatures peaking near 30, valley and west. Mid-20s east. All of us will warm up some 40 to 50 degrees, and the wind chill will be no longer a factor, but the wind will, with blowing, drifting, reduced visibilities, and extremely icy travel conditions. Here's another shot. Glenn captured this, a gorgeous sundog. Look at that light pillar too, shooting straight up into the sky. Here's your planning forecast after your first alert weather day tomorrow. It looks fantastic, but the wind is really going to make travel tricky. So please have that survival kit handy and the Valley News Live weather app to keep you ahead of the game as far as conditions go. Much quieter weather all the way through the 1st of February, if you can believe it or not, Stacy, as we enjoy temperatures near 20. At or just above average for most of that stretch.
It's always exciting when you get through January.
It is. Yeah, and February is a short month, so there's that.
Yes, we can think of all the positive things.
Yeah, daylight hours are growing longer. It's just cold out there today.